The SpiroPure leak detector and tray kit provides protection and peace of mind for under-sink reverse osmosis and other water filtration systems. The leak detector works by mechanically shutting off the flow of water to the system at the first sign of a leak. A compressed cotton pad expands when wet to trigger the shutoff valve. An elevated red indicator shows when water can no longer access the filtration system. Open the kit and check the contents to ensure all parts are present. You'll need just two tools, a small Phillips screwdriver and a utility knife or tube cutter. Keep the leak stop pad separate and dry until the final step of installation. Start by turning off both the feed water adapter valve and cold water supply. If installing alongside an existing filtration system, drain as much water from it as possible. First, close RO storage tank valves and open the drinking water filter faucet until the water flow stops. Now move the RO, but keep in mind that an RO manifold and filter housings will be quite heavy when filled with water. Have towels on hand to keep the tray dry. Look at your under-sink space and choose the best spot for the heavy-duty drip tray. The tray offers 6 mounting points for the detector, giving you flexible installation options. Mount the leak detector to the tray floor using the screws provided. Don't fully tighten the screws, as this will prevent the drawer from opening properly. It should fit securely, but with a little space to allow the detector drawer to swing open freely. This drawer will hold the leak stop pad in the final step. Now for the water lines. You'll need 2 sections of 1/4 inch white tubing. One running from the feed water adapter to the detector's inlet, and another from the detector's outlet to the water filtration system's inlet. Cut both sections with extra length to allow for pulling systems out for maintenance, such as changing the filters. First, measure and cut the inlet section from the feed water adapter to the leak detector. It is vital that your cuts are clean and square. Use a tube cutter or utility knife. Do not use scissors. Next, measure and cut the outlet section from the leak detector to your under-sink filtration system or the first pre-filter stage of your RO unit. Connect both tubing sections by firmly inserting and then pulling on the hoses to ensure they are properly seated in the QC connectors. Set the RO filter unit into the tray and position it under your sink or place the tray under your mounted water filtration system. Give all hose connections one last gentle tug. Now turn on your cold water supply and slowly open the feed water adapter valve. Check carefully for any leaks. If everything's dry, open the detector drawer and insert the leak stop pad. Close the drawer securely. Remember, if the pad gets wet, it must be replaced to maintain proper leak detection and valve operation. We recommend removing the pad during filter changes and other maintenance to protect it from getting wet. Enjoy your filtered water with the added peace of mind of the SpiroPure Leak Detector Kit. SpiroPure, serving all your filtration needs.